Welcome to Mansion of Humberwood, our another luxury listing in Etobicoke, 2-bed, 1 den in the premium location of Humberwood, close to Woodbine Casino, Go Train, Subway and Humber College. Let's go inside and enjoy this listing. Hello Ashti.
Hello,
you are
Mandeep.
here too?
Yes.
Good
How are
to
you?
see you, man.
Same here.
I'm so excited to show the tour of this listing. When you enter into the property, you are greeted by this tile throughout, which is giving it a premium finish. Because when you live in Toronto, you have a lot of snow and rain. Obviously, you need premium tiles on the entry. Just on the right of this, we have this luxury kitchen waiting for you as your new home. We have all the appliances recently upgraded. It's a 5-piece stainless appliances. I love the tone of this newly done cabinets. I like the open concept of this island, which is giving you the views of the ravine on the back. You can see it's a double sink which is coming with upgraded plumbing fixtures. Right next to the kitchen, you have this beautiful area which can be used for multi-purposes. It can be your home office. From here, we move into this spacious living space. Why? Life happens in this living room because of its premium views of this Humber River plus the green area, all those things at one place. Let's go out and look into this balcony. I know you must be waiting, where are the bedrooms? So the best part of this property is there are bedrooms which are on both the corners. Let's go into the primary bedroom, which comes with the ensuite washroom with a walk-in closet, plus a big window which is east facing, so you can enjoy the freshness of the sunlight coming in the morning. Let me show you this 4-piece washroom also. It is nicely done, which comes with a big huge mirror and it's very bright here. And from here, crossing this living space, you have this shared full washroom, which is again a 4-piece coming with another bedroom. The best about this home is it comes with a lot of windows and a lot of views. Even through this bedroom also, you can see the premium ravine lot on your back. Next to it is a stackable laundry that is also ensuite. Oh, we forgot about the amenities. I saw Ashdeep downstairs. Hello Ash.
Hello, Mandeep. I'm by the swimming pool. Yeah, for sure. I'll be there. So this condo comes with a lot of amenities, which includes your swimming pool, outdoor tennis court, your sauna room, your steam room, your 2 big party halls for your private events, 24 hours security team, and then your car wash station and many more.